Aloha, my name is Veronika. Welcome to your 10-minute cat and cow variation flow. Today, we'll gently open the spine, hips, and shoulders, exploring different creative variations to bring warmth and mobility to your body. This class is beginner-friendly, perfect for mornings or any time you need a little reset throughout your day. Let's begin. Transition yourself into a tabletop, placing your wrists beneath your shoulders and your knees beneath your hips, literally like a perfect table. You can also do a little claw with your hand to dig your fingertips in to spread the pressure off of the wrists a little better. Starting to move into a cow stretch. As you inhale, gazing straight ahead, pull your shoulders back, drop your belly, tailbone out. Take another full breath in. Noticing those shoulders, soften your elbows, glide them down the spine even more if you can. Keep breathing, keep holding this pose. Let's give it one more full breath in. Then using your exhale to transition into the cat stretch, this time pressing into the hands, deeply arching through your upper back, separating your shoulder blades, belly and tailbone is in and under. Next round of inhale, gazing forward, coming into our cow stretch. Exhale, deep arch into your cat. Keep flowing with these. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin. Connecting breath to movement. Inhale, coming into your cow stretch. Exhale, rounding in your cat pose. Transitioning into cow stretch, take a moment here. Super simple. You want to twist and look back towards your feet on either side of your body, so you're getting a gentle side stretch. You can pause on each side a little bit or just keep twisting from side to side. Similar, as you exhale, arching deeply into your cat stretch, just moving your upper body around from side to side, separating those shoulder blades as much as you possibly can, breathing into that space. Inhale, transition back into your cow stretch, this time gently swaying your body weight back and forth. Doesn't have to be full range of motion, just simple, gentle tilt towards the wrists and then towards the heels. If you start to notice your wrists are getting tired, remember what I mentioned at the beginning, just dig your fingertips in. Exhale, arch your spine and keep moving through the same little tilts back and forth in your cat stretch. Digging those fingertips in, taking some pressure off of the wrist. Transitioning gradually into your tabletop, we'll add a little extra for the core. Taking a breath in, rising your way into a cow stretch, lifting your feet off of the ground. See how differently it engages your lower back? Exhale, drop your feet down, deep arch into your cat stretch. Coming into the center, repeating the same. Inhale, cow pose, lift your feet off of the ground. Exhale, simple cat pose. Inhale, rise your way up into the cow, lift your feet. Exhale, arch and release your back in cat. This time we'll be engaging the knees instead of the feet. Inhale, coming to standard cow stretch. As you exhale into your cat, you're going to hover your knees, drop your knees. Inhale, rise into a cow stretch. Exhale, deep arch into your cat, then engaging your knees off of the ground. Let's do another round. Inhale, gaze forward, cow stretch. Exhale, nice strong cat pose with knees off. For the next few rounds, we'll engage both knees and feet. Inhale, come into your cow stretch, feet off. Exhale, deep arching cat with your knees hovering. Inhale, cow stretch, feet off. Exhale, cat and knees off. Another round, breath in, gaze forward, cow with the feet. Exhale, cat with your knees. 2 more rounds. Keep going. Breath in, breath out. One last round. Inhale, cow stretch. Exhale, cat stretch. From your tabletop, cross your left hand over your right. Keep flowing through your cat and cow. Inhale, rising into your cow stretch. Exhale, arching into your cat. We'll do 3 more rounds. Breath in, breath out. Let's switch, cross right arm over your left. Keep going. Inhale, cow stretch. Exhale, cat pose. Notice the different stretch across the shoulders and the sides of your body. Inhale, rise. Exhale, deep arch. Inhale, rise into your cow. One last exhale, cat pose. Coming into tabletop, adding side stretches. Looking as far towards your feet as possible without moving your hands. Repeat slowly for side release, just moving from your left to your right. You can even pulse on each side if that feels good, or take a moment, stay there before transitioning. Gradually transitioning into your tabletop. Next one will be what we call barrel circles. Begin a circle movement, literal barrel rolls with the spine in your tabletop. So you're circling through the shoulders and the ribcage in one direction. And then switching to the opposite direction. All these poses we've been doing are wonderful for spinal mobility, whether that's flexion, extension, or these circular movements. We're also activating gently the core. Coming to tabletop, leaning your body weight over your heels and then moving your body weight towards your wrists, or basically over the wrists. We're going to be simply moving back and forth. If your wrists are getting tired, I promise we're going to stretch them out towards the end of the class. With this movement, we're engaging the hips, so gentle hip mobility as we opening up the hips. You can even pause in each pose for a few moments, whether that's at the top or towards the back. One last, just to get some hip movement in. Let your hips move and sort of sway from side to side. It's almost like you want them to fall over. Notice how that feels and where you're feeling that engagement, that pull in your body. Last but not least, let's get into a tabletop. Press your sit bones back towards your heels, then lean over to your right and circle your way through your tabletop back towards almost a child's pose. And then you reverse and you go backwards the same way you came, leaning back. You can close your eyes here, keep flowing through the circular movement, engaging basically almost your entire body. Taking your time, following your breath. And finally, pressing your way into child's pose. So join your toes this time. Lean back. You can flip your palms up to the sky to rest the hands. We definitely did a lot of work, so feel free to open and close your fingers. We will get those hands stretched in a moment. For now, notice your nervous system calming down. We've worked through poses that gently stretch the core while maintaining low impact. We also help increase circulation throughout the spine and surrounding muscles. Let's give those wrists some love. So coming into a kneeling position, take a moment to shake them off and then point your fingers towards your feet and lean over to the wrist, the top of your wrists. You can gently rock and sway from side to side. It literally feels like a massage. It should feel really, really wonderful. If it's too intense, lean forward. If you want it to be more intense, lean back. Let's flip the hand like a pancake, so this time your wrist is facing out. Same way, you lean forward, it's easier. You lean further back and engages your forearms. And then we can peel the top of your wrists off, so you give the fingers some stretch. And eventually let go, open and closing your fingers, maybe some circles for your wrists, or even as simple as shaking your wrists off. Thank you so much for exploring this cat and cow variations with me today. If you enjoy the class, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more yoga videos, and let me know how you feel in the comments below. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Mahalo and namaste.